Welcome everybody to the Gardening is Life channel. Today we're going to be planting tomatoes from seeds indoors. We're going to be taking you through the step-by-step process on how to germinate seeds inside. That way we can have a long harvest when we transfer them outside and have lots of tomatoes. Alright, let's get straight to the video. Alright guys, we have our seeds here. We got two different kinds. We got the big boy and the early girl. And we're going to be planting them both. As you can see, we already have our trays set up. You can buy these trays online. I got mine off Amazon. They're like $5-6, real cheap. And they're reusable and very strong. They also come in different sizes. These are the little bigger ones. There's 18 of them. And these have 72 pieces. They also come with a plastic lid that goes over them to keep the moisture in, which I absolutely love. Alright, let's open the seedlings. Guys, doing this helps you have a longer harvest, so you can have tomatoes or any other things that you're planting a lot longer. And check them out. It's all you get. About 10 seeds. I also got this on Amazon. I got a bunch of them. So I'll put all the links in the description if you want to check them out. But let's get straight to it, guys. Right here we got our starting mix. I have not added water to it yet, so it's completely dry. I'll add water after I put the seeds in. Pretty much what I did, I just filled them up, compacted down a little bit, and that's it. Alright, so let's get straight to it. We're going to plant the big boy first. And the way I do it is very simple. I take a pen and I poke a little hole in the center. Not too deep, pretty much like this much from your finger. About 1/4 of an inch. And then I put the seeds in there. I put 1 in each. You can do 2, but I personally just do 1 because it's a lot easier to transfer into these bigger trays when I transfer them on. And the roots don't get entangled. So that's what I personally do. But you can do it whichever way you want. They're your tomatoes. They're your tomatoes. Yeah, these. And bam, we got 2 left over, so I'll just pop them in. That way I can, when I organize them, I'll know this side is the big boy, and then this side is gonna be early girl. And pretty much what I do next, I'll take my spoon, and then I get some more of my seed mix. I use pretty much just the regular seed mix from the grocery store. And I add a spoon over here and a spoon over here. And another spoon over here. Let me add a little bit extra. Alright. And then with the spoon, I just pretty much balance it out. Fill them to the top. Bam. Now you gently tap it down. Make sure it's firm, but not too firm. Just enough to get all the air pockets out. All right. And there you go. There you go, guys. Planting seeds indoors is pretty simple. All you gotta have is a container. Something like this is real cheap. You can get it online. And of course your seeds and some seed starting mix. Pretty simple. And after this, we're gonna add some water. But with these trays, I'm pretty much gonna, after I plant all the rest of them, I'll add the water underneath and let them soak in from the bottom. And then I'll use my cover and I'll cover it up and I'll put it in a warm place. These seeds, tomato seeds, normally germinate anywhere between 5 to 10 days. So in about a week or so, and after we see the seeds are coming through and growing, we're gonna take off the clear cover and put them in a place with natural light. You don't want to take them outside directly into the sunlight automatically because it might be too cold and they might just freeze, or they might get too much sunlight and pretty much get burned. So you pretty much want to keep it indoors in a place that gets good natural light. So that's it for this video. There you go, guys. A simple and easy way to plant tomatoes from seeds indoors. This is what I do personally. You can add your own little twist to it. You can do whatever you want. And make sure, if you like the video, hit the thumbs up button. And also subscribe. We're going to be doing a lot more videos. We got a lot of stuff to plant. I'll be taking you through all the steps from planting the seeds to transferring them to the bigger trays, to transferring them outside, and eventually picking bright red tomatoes. As always, guys, gardening is life, and see you in the next video. Peace out.